Gardeners World Live is famed for the huge range of plants that you can find here. There are just so many ideas that you can take home. It's truly inspirational.
Good show gardens, great plants, lots to see, lots to do. It's giving the visitors something they can't get anywhere else.
There are so many amazing plants. You can get these wonderful ideas. Just walking around it makes you really happy.
The children love looking at all the flowers, and because it's such a big open space, they're loving running around, which is brilliant.
I'm a keen gardener, but I'm also a new gardener, so to be able to get inspiration and ideas, I just think it's absolutely fantastic. There's something for everybody.
There are so many beautiful things to buy. It's all sorts of manner of wonderful things.
You've grown up watching Gardeners World, and you get the presenters coming on, and it's great to see them.
You can find out about everything and anything that grows at Gardeners World Live. We're an enormous great club of gardeners, and this is where we celebrate what we do.